Ajay Gurudev, sweetie. Ajay Gurudev. Yes. Ajay Gurudev. How are you? How are you? Yes. Yes, tell more. Tell more, yes. Yes. Tell more. Can you see? Oh my God, I can see you there between the wood. Pray that I can't go by there because it's private, but I can see. Hello. Hello, Peetha. Oh, I can see. Why I can see? A very intelligent idea. Like this, you can see. But like this, you can't see. So, we can see. Where are you? I find you. That's it. Where are you? You are there. Where are you? Don't scream, please. Okay, I'm like children, you know. And when children search, they find because they have pure hearts. Yes, I find you. I find you. Yes, see, I find you. Yes. How are you? How are you, sweetheart? Huh? Yes. You are so beautiful. Yes, and your sister's also so beautiful. Yes. You are. Okay. You are red and green. Yes, don't scream. Yes, I love you too. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes, doesn't matter if you don't love me. I love you at the same. Yes, I love you. If you don't love me, I love you. You are so beautiful. Now I go, okay, to search more. I don't go, but I need to go, sweetheart. Hello, Gurudev. Yes, I go now, okay? Yes, I need to go. Take care. Yes, take care of Guruji also, okay? Love you. Take care. Yes, Guruji take care of you all, I know, but you also. Why are you like this? Why are you screaming? Don't scream. Talk sweeter. Talk sweet with me, please. Yes, talk sweeter. Sing. Sree Vitala Giridhari Parabrahmane Namaha. Yes, Sree Vitala Giridhari Parabrahmane Namaha. Kiss in the heart. Love you.